Hello and welcome to this session on Docker image push and delete. In previous class, I showed how to create a Docker image. Today, we are going to learn how to push image to Docker Hub, how to delete image in Docker Hub, how to push image to Private Docker Registry, how to delete image in Private Docker Registry, how to release disk space in Private Docker Registry, how to push image to Docker Hub. Let me start and go to my terminal. Before push image to Docker Hub, I have to log into Docker Hub. Login succeed. This is previous session we created a Docker image. Just check, make sure the image in the system. Clean screen. If you want to publish an image to Docker Hub, run docker push. Docker push minor help. This gives us the usage of docker push command. You can see the command with all those options. The command is docker push docker hub username / image name and version. Process done. Let's go to UI to check result. That image I pushed before. Next, delete the image in Docker Hub. Go text. Select which version image you want to delete. Confirm, it's empty now. How to push image to Private Docker Registry. In previous session, I created a Private Docker Registry. The Private Docker Registry is used to following steps. Clean screen. First, change the tag. The tag format for Private Docker Registry is Private Docker Registry IP, port, image name, version. After change tag, go detail of the image. The repo tag has two, original one and a new one. Docker push. Private Docker Registry IP address, port number, image name, version. Check push result. My Nginx. The Docker Registry HTTP API is the protocol to image distribute to the Docker engine. If you want to get alt tags in the registry, command is tags list. We only push v1 version. That's correct. The API gives me image detail, manifest v1. Alt image information. How to delete image in the Private Docker Registry. After registry version 2.3, the header needed. Without the header, the API will return incorrect digest. Get digest. Next, use delete API to delete Docker image. Return is 202 successfully. Clean the screen. How to release disk space in Private Docker Registry. I can run command docker exec -it, registry container name, login point, garbage collection, /etc/docker/registry/configure.yaml file. The command is used to delete unused layer file in the Docker registry. Delete unused layer file will release disk space. I said 0 release because my registry didn't have any unused layer file. I hope now you understand the concept of Docker push delete and you can use in your projects. I will meet you in next episode of Docker.